Wow, we're at part 9 now. All right, we're going to make a 2D drawing out of this 3D object. So first off, I'm just going to go display settings, visual style, shaded with hidden edges, with visible edges, just so you can kind of see everything, right? It's all here. We've got everything's done. We haven't missed anything, right? Good to go. All right, so to start off with, I'm going to bring back my data panel for a minute. So here's my data panel, right? You always get rid of it by here. And I'm actually going to bring in a new file. So I'm going to go upload from select files, and this can be the drawing template file. And I'm just going to go to documents for a second. And from documents, I'm going to go back to M drive. From M drive, the media drive at the school, we're going to go find woodwork. From woodwork, we're going to find Fusion templates, and we're going to find the title block, right? And we click on open because this is an updated title block. It's better than the other ones, okay? And it's selected. It shows it right here, Highland title block, and you press upload. And when you press upload, it loads up. Now I've already got it done, so I'm going to hit cancel, but you press upload. Okay, then what we do is design, drawing, from design. We pick the title block. So yours was say from scratch. You pick the Highland title block and okay, right? So now it's going to load it in, and there it is. And I'm just going to hide this data panel. Oops, and it will load in right away. If it doesn't load in, you got to press the base view here. Now, this is a bit small on the screen, so I'm going to take over here and I'm going to change that from 1.8 to 1.5. Let's see how that looks on there. That's better. So I'm going to put this one quite low, like that, and we're going to click on OK. Why is that? That's kind of funny that's there, but that shouldn't be a problem. It's weird. Okay. Anyways, so we're going to go do a projected view from here. We're going to go over to here, and then we're going to go up to the corner and click on OK. This one's too big, so I'm going to double click, and I'm going to change this 1 to 5 to hit delete, go 1 to 8. That's a bit better, a bit smaller. Okay, so that's my isometric view just to show 3D what it looks like. And the last view I want is from here is straight up. Okay, and OK. Now, there's our different views. At any point in time, we can edit stuff like this one here. If you can't see what's really going on there. Same thing here, you can't see what's going on. So instead of making a big mess on this one, if I right mouse click, go edit view, and I go here, you see how it shows all of the stuff, and it's quite messy to see it. So we're just going to leave it there, close. But this one, we're going to right mouse click, we're going to go edit view, and we're going to change this to hidden lines, right? And actually, if we do this one, it does it to all of them. So we're going to go back to this, and we'll do it to this one instead. Right mouse click, edit view, and because that was the original one, this one, it'll only do that. And that at least gives you some detail as to what's happening on the inside. All right. Now, we just have to dimension it. So you sit there and just start dimensioning. And now I'm not going to do the whole thing, but we can do the top and go, okay, well, the top is 12. We can do how thick the top is, right? There we go. We can do the radius of this corner, right? There's 0.75. Now that's a diameter, okay? And half of that is the actual radius. Okay, we can take it and say how wide it is from point A to point B here. So this is going to be kind of difficult because that one's 792 is a weird number, but that's the nice number. So we're just going to put that in there, over here, right? And you kind of get the idea. You just go around here and you dimension everything so we can make it from here to there. Well, that's kind of weird. It should be, oh, that's because of the angle. So 195, but it should be 2. And the angle here maybe from there to there, right? And that one should be 96, not 96.03, but we're going to leave it, okay? And we just kind of go from there. A couple other things, the height from there to there, right? We've got that one. Oh, how thick these are. So that piece there. So if I dimension from there to there, okay, and that should be 1.5. Now, if you want it in fractions, what we can also do is just this, is if I'm here, and hit escape for a second, and you can actually go to document settings, and expand it, come down to inches, and I want it in fractions. So instead of decimals format, we'll go fractional, okay, and go OK. And now everything is in fractions, as you can see, right? So we can switch it there. But that's basically it. And you just finished dimensioning everything off, and you are done. You can see the scales done there. We print it out, and we have our bar stool complete. So we're going to stop there because you can do the rest and you're tired of all these tutorials. So good luck on your bar stool. Hope it comes out looking really good.